Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. In this one, we will see how to connect Google Tag Manager to your site using BlogHunch. For this one, we need to head over to Apps, and there you will find this Google Tag Manager. Just click on that and install this. Once the app is installed, take a look at the settings, and there you will find the input to place your Google Tag Manager ID. I have copied my Tag Manager ID from the Google Tag Manager dashboard. You can do the same as well and just put it here. After that, you will find few other options right here. Like if you want to send the post details in the data layer, if you want to send the page details to the data layer and the container code. You can turn it on and off based on your requirements and just head over to update. Once the settings of the app are updated, now we can get back to our blog. And now let's take a look at the source. Now, if you take a look at the source, you would see that the Tag Manager code just got added right here. And these two scripts were added only after we provide the Google Tag Manager ID and install the Google Tag Manager app. So this is doing all the coding part for you. All you need to do is just install the app and make sure you provide the Google Tag Manager ID from your Tag Manager dashboard.